Hello all. So this is a resort in Bhimtal, Green Nature's Resort, the main gate, and this is the resort. Such a nice resort with amazing view and quality of the service, and also a delicious food. This is the view from our room. This is the room of Bhimtal. ये हमारा Thor. Nice room, like interior. It's a completely a wooden interior. See, very nice room, nice resort, and the service is like too good. Food also very delicious. खाना पीना सर्विस आपको सब बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएगी यहाँ की. वॉशरूम भी sufficient space. The washroom. The washroom. Going downstairs to the restaurant. This is the backside view. There is a restaurant and some activities like some games and indoor games and all. I would like to mention it's one of the best resort, if you're looking for a pet friendly hotel.